Hello and welcome. In this video I've got a SUV and it's a 1.24 scale and it's remote control and off-road Jeep. I bought it from GearBest. I'll put the link of where I got it from. The surprising thing, it only cost £8. So where can you buy a remote control car for £8? There it is. Get the screws at the bottom. I put batteries in the remote control. It goes quite quickly. What we need to do is see how far it goes outside. Oh, it's got lights. Oops. It's got lights at the front and back. I'm not sure. Well, I've got lights at the front. Look. Now at the back. Right, we'll give it a test. So it's going through the glass and how far I can. You can still see it. That's quite a good range actually. Still got control. That's surprisingly good range. Coming back, so it should definitely be able to drive through the house. Oh, we couldn't quite get up there. Try again. Whoops. Oh, very close. Have another run at it. Oh, that wasn't very good. Try up again. Good range, it really is. Oh, we did it. So it drove up. So for £8 it's going to be able to do indoor FPV of the SUV remote control Jeep. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.